wonderful learners. You are welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to consider fraction as a topic. What is fraction? Fraction is a number denoted by two numerals. The numeral above the line is called numerator, while the numeral below the line is called denominator. We are going to solve the examples given on the board. Let's consider the first example. Represent the fractions below with figures. We have 1/4. It simply means 1/4 in figure. 2/3. 2/3. 2/3. That's 2/3. 2/5. 2/5. That's 2/5. 5/8. That's 5/8. 11/20. That's 11/20. 8/15. That's 8/15. A half. A half means 1/2. Let's write these fractions in words. This will be 3/5. Then here we have 4/15. Now with 4/15. Here we have 31/50. So then here we have 17/20. Here we have 11/13. Find the values of the following fractions. We have 1/4 of 92. Don't forget that of means times. So we are going to have 1/4 times 92. So we are going to reduce this fraction. 1 times 92 will be 92/4. And we are going to reduce this to its lowest term. 4 here 1, 4 here 23. We have 23 as our answer. 4/5 of 65 means 4/5 times 65. And we are going to reduce it. 5 here 1, 5 here 13. 13 times 4. 4 times 3, that's 12. We keep 1. 4 times 1, that's 4. Plus 1, that will be 5. Then we have 2/7 times 28. 7 here 1, 7 here 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Then let's solve this. We have 9/25 times 175. 25 here 1, 25 here 7. 25 here 7. 7 times 9, that will be 63. Then this should be 6/21 times 49. 7 here 3, 7 here 7. 7 here 1, 7 here 2. 2 times 7, that will give us 14.